It's time to open up my first ever OPPO phone, and I am so excited because OPPO have sent me the brand new Reno8 Pro. Let's see how it's like. The first impressions are pretty excellent. I love this mint green box, and if we lift the lid, we find inside the green box is a black box. Yes, I think this contains all of the documentation. How does the documentation smell? Pretty good, actually. And a lot of you guys probably don't care about it at all, but just look at how cute this SIM removal tool is. It's like a little face. And under that is the phone in its protective packaging. We'll have a little look at this a little bit later. And finally, on the bottom, we have what I expect is a USB-C cable. And also, what is this? It is absolutely massive. It is an 80-watt Super VOOC charger. 80 watts, that's more than my laptop. And now let's take a look at the phone. There we go, and wow, it is so gorgeous. Not only is the phone really thin, just look at that, but it's quite lightweight as well. And I just love the way that the camera bump just melts into the body so smoothly. And just look at the glazed green color as well. It is just stunning. I'm going to be using this phone over the next couple of weeks, so let me know what you'd like to see.